Next I've got the display stand, and like everything in this box is really well packaged and slimline. It comes in 3 parts. You have the base, and then you've just got these little inserts that just slot in there like that. Super easy. All you do is just take your hilt and pop it in the stand like that. You can obviously adjust it to how you please, but that they've included a display stand is a really nice little touch, I think. Next I'm going to show you how to assemble the lightsaber. Super easy. All you do is take your blade and your hilt and you just pop that in there like that. In the toolkit you'll get a Allen key and some screws. All you need to do is take the screws and screw them into the side, the back and the other side here. It looks as though it's going to be a really fiddly job, but honestly it's super easy because the Allen key fits perfectly into the little screws. So I'll just show you how to do that now. So what you're going to do is take the screw and pop it in like so, and just tighten that up. And all we need to do is repeat that with the 2 other screws. So there you go, super quick and easy, and that is assembly finished.